Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna tell you a very easy trick to remember the function of the plant hormone auxin. Some of us find it very difficult to remember different functions of different plant hormones. So to make it the easiest, we can take the help of pictorial representation. We will make a diagram such that we can add all the functions of the plant hormone auxin as given in the NCERT book. You can also use your own idea, but remember not to skip a single function as far as possible. And here it is. Now let us see how can we remember. In the topmost position of our diagram, I have drawn a flower along with an apple because auxin promotes flowering in pineapple and such that you can easily remember it. Auxin also promotes parthenocarpy in tomatoes. Remember, it's not apple, it's tomato, and hence I have shaded the apple. Thirdly, it promotes apical dominance, which we all know since we have started to read this chapter, and fourthly, it promotes vegetative propagation. Hence, we have four very important functions in the topmost position of our diagram. I have drawn the middle portion in such a way that it gives us an essence of a cell as well as the trunk of a tree. Here we have two important functions, that is cell division and xylem differentiation. In the bottom portion, we just have a single function, that is rooting. Lateral to the topmost position, I have drawn two leaf-like structures because here we have two very important functions that most of us usually get confused. Remember, we have to use the word prevent with early stage and the word promote with mature. That is, auxin prevent leaf and fruit drop at early stage and it promotes abscission of mature leaves and fruits. That's it. Now we know all the functions of auxin. Look at the other two functions as well. Thank you.